Welcome back to another video today.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bri.
And today we're going to show y'all how to make the Sparkling Mai Tai.
Let's get I-Lee+Bri-ated. And that's how you make a sparkling Mai Tai. Prosecco is my love language. So I love this cocktail. It's super light and sparkly and refreshing.
Yeah, so I guess kind of took your classic Mai Tai. This is another drink inspired by Smuggler's Cove, of course. And we used our wonderful Queen Charlotte's Virgin American White Oak Barrel Aged 1-year rum. It's fantastic stuff. It's your classic kind of rum flavors in that bottle, so it makes a perfect Mai Tai. And of course you have your orgeat, your curacao, your lime, but all that's kind of taken down a step to kind of leave you some room for your prosecco here. So use whatever you like. I kind of like it a bit on the drier side because we are adding ingredients in there that do have sugar in there too, but make it however you want to make it.
And I definitely can taste all the different ingredients besides the prosecco. It's just like a nice little topper. But yeah, this drink is great. Cocktails here at the Distillery are all made by Lee, so check out our YouTube channel and our website for all those different recipes. We also do like cocktail classes, cocktail dinners, come in for a tour. We've got a lot of stuff going on here, so check out our website. And the recipe will be in the description, but until next time, we'll see you later. Cheers.
Cheers.